This is YouTube Joseph W. I'm walking with earthlings. Just ignore all the noise in the background. Oh, once again, it's me, Mr. Tupo. Here I am, 125 million years in the future. In what is throughout Earth, here's another civilization. New one has emerged. The citizens. It's spelled differently. It's spelled with a P at the front. P S I T T I. No, PSITTAIAN. The citizens. These guys they're descendants of parrots. These new sentient beings. They're about 4 to 6 feet tall. They're flightless, but they're great climbers. And they're exceptionally skilled at climbing. That's why their early civilizations are built in the tree. Their early settlements resemble cities of tree houses. And then their scientific name is citizens. They've domesticated. This is 125 million years in the future. Just so you know. The belugas. These birds, which are their best friends. They're descendants of birds. No, they're descendants of I don't know what type of bird. Any of these are descendants of. But they're the citizens' best friends, just like dogs were man's best friends. And I forget. Oh, and then also here's what their houses look like. The belugas are 3 to 5 feet long and weigh about anywhere from 50 to 250 pounds, while the citizens weigh like 300 to 450 pounds. And then they have sapience and sentient or human-like intelligence. Sapience is human-like intelligence. And then there's belugas form strong bonds. Belugas form strong bonds with the citizens. They're heightened. They have heightened their role as loyal companions. There's a diverse avian companion. No, these are not companions. They're livestock. What I'm about to show you. Well, except for they have another pet, the feline bird, which is used for as pest control and as pets. The feline birds serve dual purposes. They're like the size of and weight of a domestic cat. And then there's they ride around in the forest on the backs of horse birds, which are which are 2,500 pounds in weight and 8 to 10 feet long, and they're flightless. All these birds are flightless that I mentioned. So, and here's a cattle bird, which is like 6 to 8 feet long and 700 and 950 pounds. And then there's then they also farm chickens. The early settlement, they farm and live in the same settlement types of environments, just like the Chipmans did. The avian, here's the avian chicken, which is unrelated to modern chickens. Probably it's a distant descendant of some sort of fowl, so it is related. It's 12-inch, anywhere from 8 to 12 inches long, and 5 to 8 inches high, and weighs like 4 to 7.5 ounces. The horse bird is like 5 to 6 feet and a half, 5 to 6.5 feet high, and the cattle bird 6.5 to 9, 6.5 to 9 feet high. And but eventually they reach a medieval period. They they're into their settlements now look like castle-like structures. They still have all the domestic animals I mentioned before, and but they domesticated a new one called the avian canary, this pink thing, which is the only bird here that could fly. It's unrelated to modern canaries. In fact, it's probably a descendant of cranes that have become smaller. It's like 7.5 to 18 inches long, with a 15-inch long wingspan. Weighs about 10 to 25 pounds. I don't know, 10 to 15 pounds. And then, after reaching a medieval level of civilization, these species all of a sudden get wiped out by an asteroid. An asteroid hits the Earth and wipes them out. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and share this video. Bye.